Hello everyone. If you're facing an issue with the Messenger app where the notes feature seems to have disappeared, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore some troubleshooting steps to help you get the Messenger's notes feature back up and running. First, get out of Messenger and click on Play Store. Here, type in Messenger and check if your app needs to be updated. In my case, it doesn't, but this is a very important step. So keep checking this again and again, or just turn on auto updates on your phone. Now click on App Info and look for Cache and Storage. When you find it, click on Clear Cache. Go back to Messenger and check. If you still can't find the notes, then go back to Settings and click on Clear Storage. Once you've done this, open up Messenger. It'll ask you to log back in. Type in all your essential details and log back in again. Now, you should be able to see the updates and see all your new notes. If you can't, just be patient. 1. Because the update might take a bit of time because Messenger, or just Meta in general, rolls out its features in a very selective manner. It might take some time for you to get these features, but that doesn't mean you won't get it. So just give it a bit of time. Here you have it. These are some troubleshooting steps to address the Messenger Notes feature not showing up. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you to resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching. Bye.